Welcome to this Blackpool Music School video all about insurance. In this video I'll be talking about two types of insurance: instrument insurance and public liability insurance. So let's start with instrument insurance. Depending on how wealthy you are, instrument insurance is up to you. If you can afford to replace all your equipment without batting an eyelid, you don't need instrument insurance. But if you can't, it's a must. Some companies, depending on the policy that you have, will have replacement, new for old, and various things like that. Some insurance policies can even include helping you out if your equipment goes wrong at a gig and you need some stuff straight away. So now we're talking about public liability insurance. Now this is a must. This is the insurance that covers you when you are performing. I personally carry about £10 million worth of public liability insurance. It is very, very important you have this in case anything should happen at your gig, concert or performance. Search around because not every venue wants the same amount of money. Some venues want £1 million worth insurance, some want 5, some want 10 million, and some want even more than that. So make sure you have a good public liability insurance. Again, you may want individual public liability insurance and group band public liability insurance. So search around. There are various places that offer that type of insurance. I hope this video has been useful. If you have, please give us a thumbs up and subscribe to Blackpool Music School for more videos. Until next time, take care, keep playing, keep practicing, and as always, goodbye.